Connie man.
So,
We're getting ready to do some beast machining.
yes, sir.
Let's check out the beast machine here. Yes, sir. And what is that? We got some serious shenanigans going on here. Oh. Let's load the tool. Here it comes. Right there. That's got sharp teeth, right? Alright, we're gonna... Whoa, there comes some water. Alright. We're gonna look through the window for a sec here. Is it gonna stall? No. Oh my God.
24 minutes we're gonna cut.
24 minutes we're gonna cut, boys and girls.
2 inches, 750 deep.
2 inches, 750 deep. Wow, did you see that chip come off?
14.
Let's check out the machine monitor. Boys and girls, we're using some horsepower. Look at that. Yes. Whoa, 120% horsepower. Looks like somebody knows what they're doing. They know right where to ride that line. Let's peek again inside the machine. Holy crap. Ouch. Hips are hot. Alright. It's okay, it's waterproof. Yeah, that's how you remove some material. Watch that chip. We're making bullets. Holy God. I don't know if you can see it, because there's like, yeah. I'll show you one more time, then we're going to be done with this video. But, oh, teeth are getting a little more worn. Oh, there we go. Going around the outside. Here we go. 109, 106. It's like you just programmed it where you knew where it was going to cut or something. Maybe. Hey, let's run. Yeah. No. We're running into spindle warnings though, sir. It's not appreciating this. Let's see if we can get that warning to come up again. Spindle warning. Oh, but it goes away. So it's okay.
Yeah, as long as the spindle warning goes away.
Right. As long as the spindle warning goes away. We'll peek inside there again. It doesn't like that very... Wow! Yeah, we're done now. Any words to say?
Sauce.